Моосоо хэлүүлээ. Хийсэн бичгээ үзье. За хэдүүлээ хэлээ. За фиш чи пастагаар. За одоо хэлээ. Банана борон миний хоолой амуус сонсогдчих тийм ээ. Энэ хоолой муу сонсогдоод байгаа юм биш үү? Тэр нь биш өнөөдөөс алдаахан анзаарах бичиг хийж байгаа одоо. За одоо л чанга сонсогдож байгаа ч үгүй. Тэгвэл явандаа би рейл үздэг бичиг хийж байгаа. За.
So this is how you get the new relic rod. So starting off, you gotta go to Dr. Phineas. He'll tell you a lot of stuff, and then eventually. Uma noite convocou, talvez senta com o popô. Uma noite convocou, talvez senta com o popô. É vapo, vapo no centro, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no centro, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor. Uma noite convocou. I walk around like that. Finger on the trigger. I walk around like that. Finger on the trigger.
오늘 챔피언이라도 챔피언이라도 가고 당연한 거죠.
Dad, stop! Stop! We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you I didn't want to hit you. You made me hit you. You don't disrespect your mother like that. Good morning, class. Robin, come to my office now.
그래서 하면 예스 어떤 유비가 그때는 저는 이렇게 하루 수가 있을
If this is India, if this is Canada, no, this is Russia. And if this is South America, and connecting that should be around Mexico, Argentina should be around here. Bye bye, Argentina. It was nice knowing you. Ronaldo better! Sorry! I killed Ronaldo? This is India. If this is Canada, no, this is Russia. You no. What? Hi. Hey. 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 Your lipstick stains on the front of my left side face. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam. One more. Top. Damn. Forget you. Off. Ice. Off ice. Office. Man. Go. Mango. Mango. Butter. Excuse me. Fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. In. Come. Income. Income. Under.
If your purpose midnight dawn by his graveyard goes, if someone whistles, that's mysterious foe. Your purpose midnight.
Welcome back to Game School. Game again. 10 more games to win. I've been playing for 25 hours. So tired of studying. Everyone is so hardworking. You need to wear like this to win the show. What's that like? Shall I? Time to check your homework. I'll measure your dark eye circles to see who played the most games. I played games for 20 hours. Medium size. Good. Next, Smarty. Buddy, you are always the most hardworking student. Sorry? You are lying! Subscribe to Joy Game School. Welcome back to Game.
Without you, my friend. I love this moment so much, y'all. Zoe Jack. You guys see what it is. Man versus turbine. Ah! Let's go! I understand it now. Come on, guys. It's easy now. You got.
Look at you, poor bacon. Go back to please donate.
Huh? Who are you?
Imagine being this bad at fish.
I was just trying to go to Roslyn Bay. Please get out of the way.
No flex battle me, noob. Your turn now. It's hopeless, you noob.
Huh? Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
How you're a hacker? That's not possible.
I got white, what you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in the fan on. I know I'm about to blow, oh, I ain't done. They tryna take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin eyes, leave them on the band. And I got 2 thick thighs, wanna lick the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, the Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi Prada one. I got black, I got white.
Can I have a piece? Just one sip, okay? My drink! One sip. Pizza time! Sister, you have some? No, wait. I'll only eat the crust. Fine, only the crust. Okay. You said only the crust. Look, see? Only the crust. Delicioso. I'll just take 1 spoonful. Only 1 spoonful? I promise. Okay. My spaghetti! It's just 1 spoonful. Subscribe to help me get revenge.
Nasıl oynuyorum be? Zaten en iyi fırsatı. Anlıyorum. Pardon. Zaten kaçtı.